Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you really interesting secret that how we can replace this Toyota Prius cars, this Immobilizer electric computer unit. And for that purpose we have to little bit disassemble this dashboard. There is glove box and there is cabin air filter, and I have removed these. And then when we go in that area, there is one intake hose in here, and when we look in this down area, there is this immobilizer in that area, and a little bit more light that we can see where it is. And there this immobilizer really is. It is in that part, and it is in one screw in this down area, 10mm screw. I have already removed that, and this is really this critical immobilizer in Toyota Prius car, that one. And let's look closer at this unit. Okay, and now when we look at my immobilizer ECU, I rotate that in another direction, and there we can see this code. And before of that I have to take this electric lamp away so that I press this area, and then I pull this computer unit. And now let's repeat that. And this connection, this is a little bit tight, that one, and then pull out, tight connection. And now this immobilizer is free, and in here we can see this code, and there is ECU Immobilizer. Now we can see, and maker is Tokai Rika, Japan, and there is this Toyota's code. And I recommend that we purchase just similar than this Toyota code. In my one is 89780474041, and there is this connector, and here is this one 10mm bolt what belongs in here. And I have actually this my bolt in here, it looks like that, and this is easy to take out. Only this immobilizer position and this place is very difficult to find actually, because it is like hidden in here in this down area. And this immobilizer computer is really, when we have this our glove box, I have now removed these doors in here, there is dashboard radio. We have to go in inner, and we have to remove firstly this instrument cover, and in here we have one white hose what I have also removed. It removal, there is two 10mm bolts, and just in hidden that part in this slot in here, it is in here, that area in down. Very exciting place. And this is also one computer, and later we can soon check that what is this computer's meaning also. But this is not immobilizer ECU, but that one is. And if you need new of these, you can purchase this in ebay.com like old these recycle parts, or then of course when you visit the Toyota dealership center, they will sell new part. And this part is really critical that this is possible to reprogram, because there is circuit board inside, and this reprogramming is possible. And in like my case, this has been reprogrammed. This is from some another car, and there is text as old, but this is really workable part. Okay, that kind of interesting information. to you. And remember that this part communicates to this smart key, what slots in here. And this is gear stick. Good.